Hi, this is Steve Kemp with Kemp Construction. We're standing in a mechanical room for a step code 4 house that we just recently completed. It's a hybrid heating and cooling system that we have. I showed you the in-floor hydronic system earlier. I'm going to show you now, this is the air handler. So on the main floor we have strictly air conditioning. So with the unit outside, it's bringing in the cooler temperatures, and in here that cooler temperature is now pressurized through the main floor. There's a similar unit upstairs that's connected to a heat pump outside, and that's doing both heating and cooling for the upper floor. So the heating down below on the main floor is hydronic in floor, and then with an air conditioner, and the upper floor, very similar unit, but it's with the heat pump for both heating and cooling. Beside that, we have a makeup air system. This is something that we install when we're putting in a high velocity hood vent for cooking. As the air is being pushed out through the vent, it's being replaced with air coming in and then distributed through the house through the air makeup system. And then next to that is the HRV system. This is your 24/7 clean air system. So it's bringing air in from the outside, it's filtering it through a high-tech filter, and then distributing through the house. At the same time, it's taking house air, stale house air, and then moving it outside. As that air goes outside, it's warming the air coming inside. So to the extent that it's 85% of the inside temperature, and that's what we call 85% efficiency. So this is a high-end unit, and this is one of the fundamental parts of the high-performance house for a healthy home.